Okay, I need a birthday card, and I have an idea that I've not done this before. I want to use a die cut of this watercolor paper, and I want 3, which I want to place on this card here. And I thought it'd be cute if it was different colored trees, 3 trees. And this is just a page, kind of a cardstock page from an old calendar, which I love the back. And then I cut cardstock card, and then I have the envelope. So let's see, we'll run this through the Sissics, and we'll do it 3 times to get 3 of these, paint little trees and put them on there for a birthday card, and let's see what we can get. Okay, I have my 3 little trees. I think this is the way I want to arrange them. And I feel like it looks a little plain and it needs to be a little more something on there. And what went with this calendar, this extra calendar, was also some pages that had this gold that matched this little flickered pieces on here. And I thought maybe if I put a strip, and what I'm going to do is put the seam in the middle so that tree covers it. And I think this will be the middle tree. And then I thought maybe the strip would kind of connect it all, and it's kind of sloppy here, but basically finish it off in that regard. So that's what I'm going to do, and then we'll glue it onto our card, and then we'll have a birthday card. It doesn't say birthday, but I'm going to use it as a birthday card.